Okay, so we're stopped at a gas station, and I'm going to see if the air conditioner or heat pump is back here, and it is. There's only one? Oh no, there's two. And this is a Tempstar, Tempstar Smart Comfort Series. This is straight cool unit. No, it's a heat pump. I see the reversing valve. What year are you from? Heat pump. It's model TCH036AKA1, serial L0024-38308. So this is a 2000. R22. And the air handler's up in the attic. Same with this one. This one is a Tempstar as well. Yeah, Tempstar 10. This is what our old comfort maker looked like. Just like this. And I don't even need to look on heat pump. NHP 036AKA1 is the model number, 3-ton. Serial number is L001372-134. So this is also from 2000. Factory shipped, charge R22. And then there is the water heater. So two Tempstars. This one here is a, I think this one's a 12 Seer. I'm not entirely sure. But it is a Tempstar. You really can't read that, but yeah. Tempstar. And here's the Trenton refrigeration products. That is one big Copeland compressor, and it's a 3-phase. Wow. What refrigerant do you have? It's from 09. Trenton refrigeration. I'm not going to dig out the model number. Oh. Duh, what does it have? It should say R502. Alright, it'll work with R12, R22, R134A, blah blah, all that. But I think it has, I don't know, I'd like to say R22, but I'm not sure. Anyways, over and out.